with daily updates regarding the city's response and preparedness regarding COVID-19. The format of today is going to be kept relatively short. We know that many of you have questions and concerns, and we want to be able to answer those. For people attending on Facebook, we will be answering those questions individually, and for the media, there will be breakout sessions after this. Today, I'm joined by City Manager Greg Caton, and Incident Commander for this week, Fire Chief Ken Watkins. I'd also like to acknowledge the presence of our City Council members here today. At this time, I'm going to pass it to City Manager Greg Caton, and he will start off this community briefing.
Thank you, Callie, and hello, I'm Greg Caton, the City Manager for the City of Grand Junction. Thank you for joining us today. Also joining us is the Mayor, Rick Taggart. We have personnel that have been tracking this incident since day one. Approximately 4 weeks ago, the leadership team began to discuss and prepare for this situation. Approximately 2 to 3 weeks ago, we expanded that group to a much larger personnel force to start to prepare for our community. Today, we have 80 to 100 individuals actively working on this situation. Their purpose is to prepare for essential city services to our community members. In supporting our economy, this has recently been an emerging issue. We have a special City Council meeting set up for next Monday at 6 p.m. where City Council will address many features related to this COVID-19 pandemic. We have also deployed what we refer to as the Incident Command System. The ICS system is a national system that we all speak the same language. City staff has been preparing for this for years. I have the experience of previously working under the ICS system. We activated this approximately 2 weeks ago. So it is my pleasure to introduce our Incident Commander, Fire Chief Ken Watkins, to walk through a few steps.
Thank you, City Manager Caton. I want to thank our community, first off, for all that they've done in helping us respond to this incident. Our community has had patience, and they've worked with us as we've worked to continue city operations and continue to plan for the future for this event. One of the biggest things that we are working on in the Incident Command System is certainly maintaining our essential core services. And in order to do that, we need to also maintain the health and safety of our employees. So there's a number of steps that we've taken to make sure that we have our employees in place and healthy. We've established social distancing in the workplace. We are vigilant in cleaning our facilities. We've implemented teleworking for a number of our employees that are able to do that kind of work. We certainly have personal protective equipment, PPE as we like to call it, for our first responders and our public safety personnel in place and ready to deploy as needed. We are implementing our pandemic flu plan. And I want to point out that the plan has been in place for a number of years, and we continue to update it, and certainly with this incident, we are making the appropriate updates as needed. And we're also managing our supplies and expenditures, making sure that we are ready to go when we need to. A big part of any incident is communication. And certainly communication involves collaboration also. So one of the things we're also doing is collaborating with many of our partners and essential agencies such as the health department, the county, and private industry. We are keeping our citizens up to date with timely information about how our agency is evolving to meet the needs of the community. We are providing opportunities for feedback and on the needs of our citizens, and we really encourage that feedback to know what you're seeing out there and what you need from your city. We are dedicated to serving our citizens throughout this incident. Please visit our COVID-19 webpage, which is on the city's webpage at gjcity.org, or our Facebook and Twitter accounts for the latest updates. That will conclude our live session. So for our viewers, if you could please put your questions in the comment section, we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.